List Flipper Review. Still struggling to get good leads consistently? How about traffic? Create unlimited ChatGPT-powered, fully monetized, profitable Flipbooks in 60 SEC. That generates thousands of clicks and leads without writing, coding, design or budget. Copy the same strategy that big corporates, online business, authors have been using to driving millions of new buyers every month. Skeptical? Watch video below for real proofs. Check the link below in description box and comments for full video. Limited time commercial license included. Price goes up drastically soon. Groundbreaking AI tech creates 100 seconds of engaging, memorable Flipbooks with auto lead generation plus fully monetized system. Use ChatGPT's and OpenAI algorithm to write unique Flipbooks in just few clicks. No more writing, researching or wasting time. Build trust, connection and a strong following with interactive, fun and converting elements. Repurpose old nasty content nobody wants into an exciting lead-generating and money-making Flipbooks in one click. Easily monetize your Flipbooks in multiple ways, from affiliate marketing, CPA offers, e-com products, freelancing gigs and more. Build powerful automated lead generation system and follow-up sequence, profit from every single Flipbook you create. No coding, no experience and no recurring fees whatsoever needed to make this work. Low one-time price during launch period. Commercial license allowing you to resell these Flipbooks for high profits. Ready for massive traffic and leads? Start here. Free commercial license plus low one-time price and soon. Click here to get your copy now. Skyrocket your traffic, leads and sales is as easy as 3 simple steps. Step 1. Select from our 7+ sources to create content for your Flipbook or let ChatGPT OpenAI write unique content for you in few clicks. Step 2. Our AI will then convert it into beautiful and interactive Flipbook. Add images, videos, links, call to actions, opt-in forms and more for maximum engagement. Step 3. Share anywhere you want, website, social media, email or anywhere else and instantly skyrocket your leads and sales. Today, I'm going to show you how to create traffic-getting, money-making Flipbooks in less than 60 seconds and explode your traffic even if you're just getting started. With our Secret Success Accelerator training. Introducing List Flipper. With List Flipper you can explode your traffic, leads and sales by creating and publishing up to hundreds of unique Flipbooks per minute on complete autopilot. And all it takes is just 3 simple steps. And less than 60 seconds to create traffic and sales getting Flipbooks. Step 1. Select from our 7+ sources to create content for your Flipbook or let ChatGPT OpenAI write unique content for you in few clicks. Step 2. Our AI will then convert it into beautiful and interactive Flipbook. Add images, videos, links, call to actions, opt-in forms and more for maximum engagement. Step 3. Share anywhere you want, website, social media, email or anywhere else and instantly skyrocket your leads and sales. Each Flipbook you create will be filled with your branding, monetization methods, an easy and automated lead general system to get email subscribers, and follow-up sequences to convert those subscribers into buyers automatically. No more struggling to get good leads. No more manual work and expensive designers. Just 3 simple steps and you will have traffic, leads, and sales coming in consistently, every single day. Get access to our step-by-steps Success Accelerator training. With our Success Accelerator training, you'll be able to get as much traffic as you want to your Flipbooks. This is the exact traffic and email marketing training that I used to take my business from $0 to $1,000 a day. You also get my exact case studies that show you step by step how I generated 100 seconds of thousands of dollars in sales with email marketing. With this software and training, you'll have everything you need to build a hugely successful online business. Why iList Flipper? Check out these cutting-edge features. Only iList Flipper has 100% cloud-based software. There is no need for you to install anything. Just sign up and you can access our software from anywhere on Earth. As long as there is an internet connection available, you are good to go. 7 unique ways to create Flipbooks. With iList Flipper you can create Flipbooks 7 different ways. You have the power to decide between creating Flipbooks from scratch, using existing PDFs and books, or even using existing articles that are readily available in our database. Create Flipbooks with ChatGPT and OpenAI without writing a single word. You can create Flipbooks with our amazing ChatGPT-powered algorithm in just one click. No writing, no coding, no creating content from scratch. Just type the topic and let ChatGPT do the rest. Done for you professional Flipbook templates. You don't even have to create your own Flipbooks from scratch. We offer professionally designed, high-converting templates that you can use with a few clicks. Just select the template you want, customize it and hit publish. It's that simple. Customize design and layout in seconds using our visual designer. Choose from different design options, adjust colors, size of your Flipbook to make it look exactly like you want it. Add texts, images, hyperlinks, videos, and more with a few clicks. Also customize your headers, footers, background images, logos and more. Keep your brand identity consistent without spending a single dime. Auto Lead General. System built-in. iList Flipper automatically captures leads as soon as they access your Flipbook, giving you the power to quickly and easily build an email list of hot leads interested in what you have to offer. Or lock part of your Flipbook content and make people subscribe to get full access. Monetize and share your Flipbook in one click. iList Flipper also allows you to monetize your Flipbooks with just one click. You can add affiliate links, ads, and even link to your own products or services from your Flipbooks. Once you're ready, just hit the Publish button, generate your embed code and share it anywhere you want. Create stunning Flipbook covers that grab attention immediately. You can also create stunning Flipbook covers in just one click with our pre-made, eye-catching graphics. You don't need any design skills or expensive designers to make your Flipbook stand out from the crowd. Just drag and drop your assets, add text and hit publish. Collect leads with ease and integrate into your favorite autoresponder. Build and grow your lists without worrying. You can keep up to 25,000 leads in your account without having to pay a single dime extra. Which is more than enough to make thousands of dollars in profit. Or you can directly integrate your favorite autoresponder and send leads there. Automatic mailer and a done-for-you sequence to make commissions from every Flipbook you create. iList Flipper comes with an auto mailer feature which allows you to send emails to subscribers in your list. You can broadcast emails to everyone in your list or send automated emails with our pre-made sequences.